This was my PC in 2022. And this was my PC. This was last year. I sold my old one. So what's the difference between the... Well, what's the... Oh my gosh. They both suck. So I decided to make a new PC. A new setup. Something bigger and better. But I had something in the way. So my idea with this acrylic desk is... I'm thinking about putting the rig down here. Obviously the mouse and keyboard here. And then just the monitor on like the top desk. But the only problem is this thing. It's so annoying. I'm going to try to take it off. And I'm going to show you guys why I need that off. So this is my Ultra Gear 165 Hertz monitor. Weighs about 25 pounds. I guess I'll try to take this off. And we'll see how that goes. Alright, I'm not a screw kind of guy, but these are like a hexagon. I think that's the shape. So we're gonna try to unscrew it. My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. So none of these fit, unfortunately. We're gonna have to try something else. Thank goodness my dad has tools. I found one that's like barely bigger than the last one. Hopefully this one fits. Alright, moment of truth. Let's go. That was pretty simple. Okay. In case you're wondering what I did with the rest of the glass panel, I threw it on the ground. So I ended up throwing everything else away after I cleaned all this up. This took about an hour and a half. And yeah, this is a huge monitor. Let's see. Seems like it could work, I guess. 2 weeks later, I tanked the Ryzen 7 9800 X3D, the highly sought after CPU. If you couldn't tell, this was the last part I needed, and now it's time to begin. Alright, so pretty much you're gonna take your motherboard out, you're gonna take it out, you're gonna open it, and then you're gonna take it out, and then you're gonna put on your CPU.
Oh yeah, they can take this out. Okay. Oh yeah, that's right.
And then you put on the RAM.
GeForce LED DDR5.
The motherboard was literally I was like, no.
Little sticker.
Why'd you do that?
No pressure, no pressure.
Pressure?
No, I said no, I said no pressure on you. I don't.
And yeah, it's been a while, so I put it on the wrong way. But it's alright.
Boom.
Alright, that's in.
Bro, like, my motherboard I thought for sure.
He knows how to build a PC.
Let's go check the video, but I'm pretty sure.
That's in.
If you don't do enough, your CPU will fry. If you do too much,
That's good.
Oh, he said that's wrong.
And besides the tiny bit of thermal paste, there's another foreshadowing. If you guys notice it, let me know.
Okay, I'm gonna spread mine on
you.
Yeah.
This is what I did wrong.
You gotta do star pattern. Star pattern.
I didn't record everything, obviously, but here's a video of my friend doing something, and I'm screwing something else. I don't know.
I know. Pretty good. Oh, it's not glass. It's plastic.
You sure?
Yeah.
We're gonna skip some chapters, put the motherboard in, put some cooler fans in. Wiring, need some help. Lots of cable stuff that needs to be fixed, but yeah. And here's my Iron Man montage. I don't know why my shirt was off. I don't know why my shirt was off, but wow. But yeah, I'm screwing some stuff. Took me an hour to put literally took an hour to put my hard drive in.
Oh, stop. So,
I see lights.
So the motherboard turned on. Should I just?
Yeah, click it.
So all three of us don't really know too much about PCs, so we're doing some on-hand troubleshooting, trying to figure out how to make the PC turn on.
Alright. Part 2.
What goes on? Mainframe is being hacked. Yeah! Yo!
Oh, I'm stupid. Oh. So after quote-unquote putting everything in, I got cocky and put all the panels back on because I thought that I was done. I thought that nothing else was wrong. I thought that it was all smooth sailing from here. But boy was I wrong.
Where's this one?
Switch it to one of the issue ones. Well, I don't know. Wait, what else? Yeah, F11 to boot menu. Oh yeah.
Oh, click 11.
No, just
Oh.
there, I'm fine.
Click 11!
Spin.
Do we just wait?
Oh, it's not connected. We're sure
the keyboard's not on.
Oh my gosh!
I thought I saw the worst of it. I thought that this was the last bad thing that would happen. But nope.
System crashed.
We want to crash. Wait, what? Dude!
What?
I bet you it's a thermal paste, I'm not gonna lie.
No.
No.
Swear.
Why?
It
Why?
can't.
It got
Wait,
too hot?
Yeah, it gets too hot, it just shut itself off.
No, I can't shut up that fast.
No, it's 76 degrees Celsius.
Is that a lot?
75.
That's cold. Oh, 75 degrees Celsius. That's hot.
So look at what.
Oh yeah, look, it's heating up as we speak. 77.5.
Yo. Watch it. Yo!
80 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Oh, it just happened.
That is way too hot to shut it down. Shut it down.
Wait, turn it up! Turn it up!
No. No wonder why it's 180 degrees.
Why is it like that?
I don't know. Alright, we're gonna do the.
So we thought the lack of thermal paste was why it kept shutting down. But
Oh no.
68. What was the record? 40 to
60 something. Yo!
68.5.
Bro! Why? Why?
Wait, skip a second. Hold on.
No.
No, shut up, dude.
Shut?
It says 40 to 65.
Why, dude?
Alright. It's going down.
Alright.
I was kind of mad I didn't record this, but I was so stressed the hour in between. We were trying a bunch of things and we figured out that that little bar on the CPU cooler was on the wrong section, so we fixed that and it ended up actually touching the thermal paste when we finally put it on. So after about 5 hours, lots of work, lots of tears, I finally got it done. The desk might need to be replaced just for usefulness. It's pretty weird, but yeah, here it is.